After watching this video, you can make a website in 10 minutes that anyone can browse online. To make a website, we are going to follow this simple 4 steps. Step number 1 is getting free hosting and domain. Hosting is the digital storage space where websites' files are stored. A domain is basically website's name, like google.com. To get free hosting and domain, click the link in the description below. After click, it will take you to this page. Now click on Register Now button. Then sign up with Google. Select your Gmail account. Our Infinity free registration is complete. Now we need to create an hosting account. For that, scroll down and click on Create Account. There are 4 plans, but we will choose the free one. Then, choose your unique domain name and fill it in here. After that, click on Check Availability. Then, change the hosting account password and approve email consent. And finally, click on Create Account. Congratulations! You got your free domain and hosting. Our first step is complete. The second step is to install WordPress. WordPress is a free and easy tool to create websites. To install WordPress, click on Control Panel. Then scroll down until find Softaculous Apps Installer. After find, click on it. And then click on Install button below WordPress. It will ask some information before install WordPress. Enter your website name here. And login information like username and password. After fill this details, scroll down and click on Install button. We have successfully installed WordPress. The second step is also complete. The third step is installing Astra Theme. Astra is a fast and customizable WordPress theme. For WordPress dashboard access, click the link from here. You will get a different link. To install Astra, click on Appearance, and then select Themes. After that, click on Add Theme. When you see Astra Theme on this page, then click on Install button. Then we need to activate this. To do that, click on Activate. Astra installed successfully. Now we need to select a starter template. For this, click on Start Building Now. Next, let's get started. Then, skip this steps. Now, you can see Starter Template here. Then, click on this button. Now we will choose Elementor because it's easy and simple page builder. Here, you can see many pre-made templates. You can choose any template based on your website category. We are choosing this one for online store. Now, choose your favorite font and color and click on Continue button. Don't change anything here. Then Continue. And finally, enter your name and submit. Congratulations, your website is ready. Now it's look like this. Our step number 3 is complete. The final step is customizing the website. To customize website, go to Edit with Elementor. Then click on Site Setting. Now you can change anything from this page: image, text, color, style. For example, click on the image to change it. Then click on the small icon here. Select your new image from PC. Then click on Select button. Image changed successfully. If you want to change the text, click on it. Then click here and type new text. By this process, customize your website and make it your own.